Hey everyone, Jess here from Designah. Today we're diving into something interesting I found while exploring London's small business scene. I stumbled across this bakery that's actually crushing it on social media. They've got quite a following on Twitter and other platforms. But when I checked out their website, well, let's just say there's room for improvement. Let me walk you through what I noticed. First up, the navigation. Look at this, 6 different NAV items. That's a bit overwhelming, right? We could easily streamline this to 3 or 4 items max. All these cake categories? They'd work so much better as a clean drop-down menu. Less clutter, better user experience. Now, check out their About section. This is a classic case of all tell, no show. There's paragraphs of text but only 2 images. In the bakery business, visuals are everything. We need to see more of their amazing creations, not just read about them. Here's another interesting choice. This section with what I assume is the owner's photo. But here's the thing, it's just a person holding a white box in front of. Honestly, I can't even tell what that background is. There's no context, no story being told. Are they the owner? The head baker? We need that connection, that story. Let's talk about contact information. I counted. They've placed their contact details in so many spots throughout the site. In my experience, you really only need it in 3 strategic locations: header, mid-page, and footer. Any more than that, and it starts feeling desperate. And finally, this made me chuckle a bit, they've got social media links in 2 different places. One set at the top, another just below.
Why?
Pick one prominent spot and stick with it. And wait, let's check their performance on mobile and desktop devices. Okay. It takes 8.1 seconds to load the page fully for mobile and a 2.1 seconds for desktop, which is not great. People usually skip the sites which doesn't load fast. These might seem like small details, but they add up to create either a smooth, professional experience or, well, what we're seeing here. The good news is, these are all pretty straightforward fixes that could really elevate their online presence. Let me show you how we can fix this. I'm going to redesign this website with a cleaner, more refined approach, keeping it simple but still elegant. We'll focus on smart design choices that not only look good but actually work better. The new design will load lightning fast on any device. Whether you're checking out their cakes on a phone with slow 3G or browsing on your laptop with fiber internet, you'll get a smooth, snappy experience. No more waiting around, just beautiful design that performs as good as it looks. Alright, first things first, let's really understand what makes this business tick. I always start by diving into their social media presence. While scrolling through their Instagram, I struck gold with this amazing photo of the owner, way better than what's on their current site. Plus, I found some absolutely stunning cupcake shots we can definitely use. After gathering all the essential info, I hit up Pinterest and Google for some inspiration. Seeing what works for other successful bakeries and how we can take those ideas even further. Now, looking at their current color scheme, they're using pink, but we're going to refine it. I'm thinking a soft pink for the background to create this warm, welcoming vibe, paired with deeper pink accents for the buttons to really make them pop. Let me show you what I've got in Figma. I've sketched out this rough mock-up that completely transforms the site. Beyond the basics, I've added some key sections they're missing, a why choose a section to build trust, strategic CTAs throughout, and a clear services breakdown. But here's my favorite addition, a quick recipes section. Not a full blog, but just some pre-written recipes so people can try making simpler versions of their treats at home. Perfect for those customers who live too far to visit regularly. It's all about building that connection, What do you think about this direction? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let me show you how it all came together. Right at the top, we've got this beautiful background video that immediately grabs attention, with the company name, a short description, and a clean menu button. Simple, but impactful. Below that, we've organized their key information in 4 clean columns: location, contact details, business hours, and social media. Everything a customer needs to know, right where they can find it. Check out the new About US section. Remember that awkward white box photo? Look at this instead. We've used this gorgeous shot where you can see their company name, their products, and best of all, the owner's genuine smile showing her passion for what she does. On the left, I've taken their original content, but tightened it up to pack more punch with fewer words. Remember all that text from the old "Why choose us" section? We've transformed it into 3 easy-to-digest cards. Same information, way better presentation. The flavor showcase section? Now it's this beautiful display of their cupcakes that doubles as an ordering system. Clean, functional, and mouth-watering. For social proof, we kept it focused, just 3 powerful testimonials. Not overwhelming, just enough to build trust. I've added this punchy CTA section as a gentle nudge to explore more or place an order. Here's something new, a recipe section where they share some of their simpler cupcake recipes for home baking. It's a brilliant way to show off their expertise and connect with customers who live further away. And look at this workshop section. Even if they're not offering classes yet, it's a great opportunity to expand their business. We wrap it all up with a clean footer containing all the essential information. Love it? Hate it? Let me know in the comments. Your feedback helps us improve. This is Jess from Designah. We don't just design websites, we build trust. Catch you in the next one.